If you've ever accidentally deleted something from a page, or you're working with other designers or instructors building content together, this Canvas win today is for you. Canvas has page history for all the Canvas pages. To access it, simply navigate to any page and click the three dots beside the Edit button, and select View Page History. The page history shows you all the revisions made to the page, so you can see changes from the last time the page was saved. Notice that these changes are only recorded each time you click Save or Update to a page. The best thing about revision history is that you can select an older version and then restore this version. So if you accidentally saved or deleted something and you didn't mean to, you can always come in here and say restore this version to go back to the original or another version of the document. When you click that link, you'll get a little pop-up asking you to confirm. Simply hit restore, and that page will be reverted back. Note that that change does get saved as one more revision history, so if you do that by accident, you can always go back to another version and restore that too.